Howdy, Chris here at ZiZZO Bikes, and this video is about unpackaging the Liberte. The Liberte is our lightest bike, weighing in at only 23 pounds. The first thing that you'll notice as you open the box is that you will find another box. The Liberte is shipped double box for the bike's protection while transit. Now inside the box, what you will find is a smaller box. The smaller box will have the multi-tool registration card and your owner's manual. Owner's manual is also available on our website. Now what you'll need to unpackage the bike would be a pair of scissors and some patience. It is shipped with a lot of protective packaging material. You have the seat post, which is zip tied to the bike. And now let's go ahead and pull out the Liberte. I like to grab it from the frame. Not sure if you can see it, but I will grab it right here. And my free hand on the box while I lift this up. All right. As you can see, there is a lot of packaging material. Some plastic pieces might be in the box. This is just on the bike to protect a quick release on the side. You might want to keep this if you are intended on traveling with your bike. And also inside the box is the kickstand. So the kickstand is not installed. I will do a video after this to show you how to install the kickstand. All right. So if you've seen the other videos of how we unpackage the bike, I usually start from just one side and work my way down. It's just a lot of zip ties and protective material on the bike. As you can see, I just took out the padding material on the frame lock itself, and you'll see this plastic piece right here. This is another protective material for the frame lock, so you might want to save that if you do travel. Now down here is a larger foam material. This is on the bike to protect the frame and the pedal while it is shipped inside the box. Oh, and the wheel, it's zip tied together so it stays together. Now I just unfolded the bike to lock the frame. You just simply pull this towards you and you'll hear that click once it's locked. Now the handlebar stem just simply folds up and lift up on the lock right here and just press towards the stem and you'll hear a click once it's locked. So Now the handlebar can be adjusted. You just pull up on this quick release and fold it as to your comfortable riding position, and make sure to lock the quick release again. Oh, it's zip tied. Okay, so it's zip tied. I'm just trying to be careful not to scratch the frame. There you go. Get this out the way. So the crank arm and the pedal is double wrapped. And the pedals come folded. You just simply pull the pedal and that will unfold. And since this is double wrapped, it takes longer to unpackage. There you go. There you go. Oh, there's one more plastic piece right here. This plastic piece also is good to keep if you travel. It protects the derailleur and the frame, of course. Oh, it's on there tight. So you just try to pull this out. There you go. All right. Now we just gotta put the seat post on and install the kickstand. That will be on the next video. Please stay tuned.